Hey guys, I wanted to post this issue on my 2010 Corolla. I believe it affects the from the '09 to 2014 Corollas that I know of, because this unit that I replaced came from a 2014, but it worked on my 2010 Corolla. Of course, I think there's a part number somewhere to match it up to, but unfortunately, I don't remember where it is. It's probably this one right here. Um, but anyways, the issue was the car didn't want to start. It cranks, the engine cranks, but it doesn't want to start. It feels like the fuel pump doesn't want to pump. There's articles and forums out there mentioning about the C open relay or C/OPN relay. That might be an issue and nobody can be able to pinpoint. Unfortunately, there's none on YouTube that shows this either. But I just want to put this out there in case somebody who does have the same issue about no starting on a Toyota Corolla. I think it does affect other cars too, but personally, that's the only car I know. So this fuse box is right there behind, in the driver's side, behind the coin holder. If you open the coin holder, you'll see it right behind there. There's, of course, you'll see the fuse behind there. Well, that's not just only the fuse, but it comes with an integrated circuit. One piece that I know of right here. Now, if you mash all this together, it'll be back into the same box. But like I said, it takes a minute to take it out. So you gotta be patient if you wanna fix the problem. Anyways, let me start from the back of the unit, because in the front, if you open the dash, there's going to be a lot of harnesses connected around here, relays, and then of course when you look underneath, that's where all the fuses are. If you look to the back of it, from the steering wheel, you'll see all this. Well, of course, it's not exposed like this, but there's another cover, but I broke it apart. I mean, there's no way of salvaging anything on this. I mean, once you tear it apart, it's done. So there's several layers you can see there. First, it was the cover, and then I believe that was part of it. That sits in there, and then of course I took it out. I peeled back some more layers, and there's electrical wiring, connectors, pins, prongs, and I peeled it back some more, and voila. There's one relay sitting in here. Here's the part number, but like I said, there's no way of changing this. You have to change the whole unit as a whole. Thankfully, that day I went to the junkyard and I happened to find a 2014 Corolla, which this box matches with the part number. So for Toyota, I don't know which BS engineer to create a relay inside this fuse box, but it was ridiculous. It was the only relay that I saw in here, that I found in here. And of course, there's 4 of them in there. I don't know how that mechanism worked, but it is a relay. And this is the C open relay. For some reason it failed. Once I changed it out, started up fine, but I couldn't confirm it for one reason. I went ahead and changed the fuel pump. That didn't work. I went on to the Toyota TSB and they mentioned about the C open relay. that what confirmed me to go to the junkyard and got this. Good thing this was part of the fuse box, so they charged me about, I think, $18-19 at the time, give or take. So it was a cheap part at the junkyard, but it was intensive labor. You had to go behind the dash and then try to wiggle all the harness out of it. And also some tie wraps, stuff like that, some bolts. I don't remember if there's any instructions, but I had to go and then kind of try to figure out how to take it out. But it's pretty, it's not labor intensive, but it was time consuming. So, all right, there you go. Like I said, this is one take. I didn't edit anything on this video, so forgive me if there's any imperfections in my comments or whatnot. Thank you.